Guys, are you bored with this old tactile design and soggy type of style with your file explorer and want to make a bit modern style? Now we're talking modern. You want to make your file explorer a bit modern and make it like this. I want to show you in this video, and you even want to make your layouts, I mean your flyouts like this. As you see, it's going to show you modern layouts. When you do the speaker volume, it's all modern layout. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's begin it without wasting any time. So how do you get the modern flyouts and these modern files? So just go to your Microsoft Store. I'm going to show you again. Just go to your Microsoft Store and just write files. It'll take a bit time. So you see there are like different files. So this one, you can even do the max file, but it's $3. So you see, this is what you have to do. You just need to install it and write your email ID's password, and you're done. You can launch it. I already have it, so I'm gonna launch it. That's how it got launched. Now we're going to show you how to do the modern flyouts. Go right, modern flyouts. This is the modern flyout. You can even download this. It will look like this. You can launch it. You have to change a setting to make it your like permanent one. You see there's settings. You can change to default flyouts. Windows flyouts are these normal ones, which are also good, but these are much better. The modern flyouts, you can download it and write your email ID password, and that it is for today's, guys. Please, if you like this video, if it was informative, please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.